Unlock your imagination and bring stunning visual concepts to life with the magic of AI art generation. Today, we're diving into Midjourney, a powerful tool that transforms your words into incredible artwork. First things first, you'll need access. Midjourney primarily operates through Discord, so make sure you have a Discord account and have joined the Midjourney server. Once you're in, navigate to one of the newbies channels. Here's where the magic happens. You'll be using a special bot to create an image. You'll type "Imagine" followed by a space. This will bring up a prompt box. Now, for the art, the secret to amazing Midjourney images lies in your prompt. Think about what you want to see. Be descriptive instead of just a cat. Try a fluffy ginger cat sleeping on a sun-drenched windowsill. Impressionist painting. You can also add style elements. Try adding terms like cinematic lighting, surrealism, cyberpunk city, or even the name of a famous artist to influence the aesthetic. Experiment with details like colors, moods, and composition. Midjourney will usually generate for initial variations based on your prompt. Below these images, you'll see a row of buttons. The U buttons are for upscaling. If you like one of the images, you can click its corresponding U button to get a larger, more detailed version. The V buttons are for variations. If you want to see more options in a similar style to one of the generated images, click the V button for that image. This is perfect for exploring different interpretations of your initial idea. There are also parameters you can add to your prompt to further refine your results. For example, adding AR 169 will change the aspect ratio to widescreen. Exploring these parameters is key to truly mastering Midjourney. And that's it. With a little practice and creative prompting, you can generate truly unique and breathtaking AI art. Start experimenting, have fun, and share your creations.